sila.
Yeah.
Northwest gate.
Hold here. Huwag natin to pa. Yo, can we catch? Northwest 5, 4.
Naninibago.
Yeah.
Sinayon, kalaban ko lang sa UC to nung
Break the
war
seat.
nung last season. Punta kasama ko ngayon.
Break the gate.
Snooping ko ah.
Pasabay if may BS sila.
Wait lang, naglalag
Level 2 sila.
May day na press na dito.
Limit test for Honey. Let's go.
Let's go.
Willing
Kaya
to
mo na
invest.
Spread.
Every time you guys get engaged on
Same.
tatalunan.
Nag-OC na.
Yeah. It's fine. May clamp tank ba tayo? Isa pa. Ako lang na.
Si Magic, I think, naka 100 base.
Break. Stay north is lang.
One rotation demons mo ah.
Sige,
They have
sige.
soul sight.
You're looking.
Kaya, engaging. Nice. Heal up sila.
Puta, ginamit ko yung defensives.
Pag wala na kayong defensive, just stay north na.
ABM.
May passion tayo. What the fuck?
Yes,
Ano yan yan?
What the fuck?
Ayun ang defensives man eh.
Where the fuck did that
Yeah.
come from?
Engaging. Nice.
Wala.
Nice step.
Naka-CD kang pre, ingat
Go
kayo.
faking ako. Fake lang to. Nice. Baited.
Careful guards, ah. Careful guards.
Kill the guards first para may space tayo. Try not to lump up.
Careful over the walls after.
Looking. Roll the guards.
Uy, may bastion pa tayo.
Southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. In front lang.
Oh,
Nice.
motherfucker!
Chill. Take space.
Tapos kayo dito. Tapos
Yo,
kayo
kill this guy. QW this guy. Kidnap. May CD sila. Ingat kayo.
5 seconds.
Take space northeast. Sige lang.
Ready.
We can soak one engage from them. Stay lang. Hold.
OC guys.
Yeah. I'll see if you haven't. Play patiently.
I'll try to bait them.
Mati-kidnap sila. Sige lang. Hold on.
Dodge the barrels ah.
Yeah. Come north us. Looking. Nag-look.
It's a fake.
Nag-engage.
Bobo.
Fake yun.
Northwest,
Perma
northwest.
lang.
They're
Ayun,
engaging
no,
northeast,
curse out. Okay. Sige lang. No one dies here. Heal up. Bang tas
They engage.
Keep banging.
Ay,
Pabang
maaga
lang.
pa. Nice one. May time pa tayo. Good.
If may mga gusto sumunod ah. Yo, in this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss. It's fine. They have CD. Left.
Oh.
We lost one, we lost two.
It's fine.
Lost
Wala
carving.
tayong rot.
Wala kang carving.
Pamart
Wala
ng
tayong
hodge nila, salamat.
We have cooldown, ah. May cooldown kami.
Wait.
One healer down.
Wait lang. Hindi ko makita yung hodge nila. Wait.
They're
Look.
looking.
Okay. Left.
Ready.
Yo, we can sila engage. Yo. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Go back. Kite. We need numbers.
Zoning.
Kite lang.
Esker na ako.
Kite. Come southeast. Come southeast.
Looking.
I see.
Nakatingin sa akin.
Fine.
Can engage.
CD check.
Nakatingin sa akin yung
On
hodge.
the Judy. Sige lang, stay on the Judy.
Ready.
Wait. Come southeast. You guys, come southeast. Wait, let's wait for the gears.
Looking.
Going front ah.
Yeah. Northwest. Kita niyo yung clam na to? Northwest 5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2. Okay, I miss. It's fine.
Careful.
Yeah.
They're gonna turn.
Looking. It's fine. No damage. Kite. Out of combat kayo. Papalit ako ng weapon.
Sige.
Come southeast. Wait lang.
They're chasing, ah. Chasing.
Come southeast. Sige lang. Sprint if you can.
Uy, cards magic. Ingat, ah.
Okay, wait. 10 seconds.
Huwag niyo yung tanks up front. Don't leave your tanks up front.
Yeah,
guys.
don't leave. Yeah. Spread lang. Spread. Spread. Northwest shallow lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the W pull.
Boom!
Nice.
motherfucker!
Go back.
They're looking.
Yeah. Go back. I drop Judy. Nice stop. Come south.
Engaging.
Def. Yeah, it's fine. We good. Yo, inside, ready. 5,
Wait,
4,
cool
3.
down.
Okay, sorry. It's fine. It's a fake. 30 seconds left. Okay.
Kidnapping got.
Kidnap. Come south. Beat kayo.
We kill these mobs.
Beat. Yeah, beat.
Don't clamp.
Wait natin
5
yung mga-
seconds at.
Ready.
Sige lang. Come south.
Ano si Magic? Ayun.
Layo niyo sa araw na.
Come south. Yeah.
Yo, guys, follow the ground! Where the fuck are you going?
Come south.
Oh.
Come southwest. Wait natin yung mga records na.
Oh,
Kulang pa tayo
records.
ng first pati isang
BBP na kami, BBP.
hold
Going
it.
pa, malapit na sa'yo.
Layo niyo na naman
Yo,
sa crown.
crown.
Wala na naman kayo ha.
Come back.
Yo.
No.
Kompleto DPS kun, except sa carving. Wala dito.
Carving
Yes,
lang
no
wala.
carving, no
Trust me.
healer.
Yes, fine.
1 hour.
Walk.
Yeah, we have SH and RB. I think we can, if may
Yeah, we have
escalation,
first.
kaya pa.
Blade healer naman na wala.
Yeah, we
may.
can, yeah. It's fine.
Basta malaki escalation. Kaya.
Looking ha.
Looking.
Yo, wait. Yeah. It's fine. Nag-fake lang ako. Hold lang.
Perman na southeast ha.
Yeah.
They can over the wall.
Yeah. Stay outside of that. So, hold. Looking.
Def.
Wait. I'm faking. Wait. Yo, southwest shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. I got
They're
no.
pushing out. They're pushing out.
Sige lang.
They're pushing out.
Kaya outside.
Pushing out.
Over the wall.
Def.
It's fine. Hold them. CD.
5.
Walk.
10 seconds ako.
Southeast. Hold. Southeast. Hold.
3 seconds.
3
3
Shallow.
seconds pa ni.
Okay, southeast shallow. 5,
Ready na.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ano sige? Left. Nice heals. Sige lang, I'm peeling for you guys.
AR na kami.
Okay. Kita nyo tong wait.
Mag-invi ka na lang spice yan.
10 seconds pa ni. 10 seconds.
Sige.
Yung pinakamatagal mo na
Wait
CD.
natin yung CD nila.
RB pinakamatagal mo ata.
Long southwest. Yeah. Long
RB?
southwest.
Ako RB ah.
Ikaw pinakamatagal CD.
Okay, copy. Ready na.
Kasi naka-assassin yung
Got it.
natin.
They missed. Fake yan.
That's fake.
Care magic.
Looking.
Care.
Def.
Nice heals. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano sige?
Ay, puta. Mali ako.
All good.
They're pinching up.
Sige lang. Yo. Spread. Don't clamp. Bong lang. Keep bonging. Looking.
Visit CD na.
Nice.
5 seconds RB. 5 seconds RB.
Kill guards muna.
Yeah. Kill guards. Come. Kill the guards.
Wala tong
Agro lang
giga.
guys. Yo, come north. Abot kayo dyan na. Kung na-engage na Hodge.
Looking.
Yo, looking.
GG.
Left. Nice.
1 HP.
Heal cards.
Magic.
You bring the guards.
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we miss. Fine. Kill the guards.
Yo, don't bring the guards outside. Ay, puta.
Nag-reset.
Don't bring the guards outside, guys, ha?
Hold on. Spread and hold. Looking. Guys, look.
Carefully side
Yeah.
Escar na kami.
Yo, hold.
Looking.
Southeast deep. Southwest deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Big.
It's everyone. Go back. They have CD.
They're gonna counter. Def.
Patay.
We lost one. Last one DPS. Heal. Heal. Sige lang. CD check.
5 yung
Fifteen,
pinamatagal.
yeah.
5.
Five.
Ready.
Southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kabak,
They're
kabak.
counter. Look, they're
Kidnap.
No, not to.
Careful counter ah. Looking
Sige lang,
sila.
yeah, they can counter. Hold long. Spread lang, spread. Shock CD.
10 seconds yung ano, pinalate. 10.
10 seconds. Sige,
Ready.
spread lang,
5 pa, 5.
Yo, southwest, wait.
3
Southeast,
seconds, honey.
shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, my bad. Natin.
Looking sila ah.
Yeah. Look on the Judy. Heal on the Judy.
Don't go up too hard. Pingin isang heal.
Yeah.
Honey, walang mana healer mo, isang healer.
Sino?
Kailangan mag-reset. Eh, no, yung katabi mo.
reset.
Si Chocolate.
Yo,
Pwede kang
cameras,
mag-reset saglit.
cameras.
Yeah. Careful front.
Let's wait for the mana.
Diyan na si Spicy, Northeast.
Yeah.
Walang mana healer.
Care.
Fine.
Looking.
Hold. Yeah. Hold lang.
Ay, good ka na. Meron ng cape. Good na.
Nice. Yo, shallow southwest, shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sige. Go back.
I think di tayo
Go back.
Looking sila.
Sige lang, looking sila. Yeah, nice.
Jade, yeah,
Nice step. Kidnap. Nasa loob lang siya.
Honey, look at your southeast. There's 2,
Yeah.
ano.
Okay.
Itong carving, oh, medyo makulit.
They're
Okay.
they
South-
permanent.
3.
4, 3, 2, 1. Sige.
Wala ako.
Def lang. We're good. Chill.
Top of the duty.
Patay si guards.
Patay.
Guys, if mag-English tayo over the wall, near the wall, just ready defensive.
Pamark yung perma nila. They engage on perma din eh.
Wait, I'm checking.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I see. Mark na. Shield mark.
Okay.
Relax.
May Havoc GA sa Southeast ah. Hindi ko alam kung scout yan.
Sige lang. Yo, faking ako.
Dapat mag-deep ka.
Yeah. Wait. After the GA. Yeah. After the look.
Clumping. You guys are clumping.
Take angles sa akin. Sa loob sila eh. Come southwest. Yo, care over the wall ha. Care over the wall. Looking. Yeah.
Nakatingin ako sa bomb
Yung
squad.
southeast.
Prefer
Okay.
ko na lang.
Southeast deep.
Yo, Crown!
Southeast.
They're inside. Go inside.
Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, it's everyone.
Oh my God, Solomon! Ah, shit, where's the DPS?
Go back.
Nastan kami, kuya. Nastan
Nasa
kami.
stop.
Yeah, they can
Nasa stop
stop,
din kami
They're
ng
looking.
Yeah. Nice GA. Holy shit, nice GA.
Pwede sila,
Spread.
10 seconds.
Yeah, they can see it. Nice.
Hit
10 seconds yung nila mo.
Nice.
Patay.
Puta na execute ng rat.
Lagi na execute. Come here,
Nice,
Rat yan lang rat.
guards. Take the guards. Yo, inside. Can you guys see it? May CD kayo, guys?
Meron, ready.
Inside lang.
Kaso looking
5,
sila,
4.
baka adbat to.
Inside. It's fine. Go back. Def.
Try ko kidnapin to.
Need to blub and pass. Wait. Sige. Yo, come northwest. May blub sa pass.
Okay.
White boy
Stabilize.
pass pa yun, kuya. Mag-e-escort pa yun.
Yeah.
Wala ka.
Dati pwede ka mag-rebound.
-3 DPS ka.
Wala
They're
tayong
still
DPS.
You only have 2
Dati
DPS.
Andito pala sila.
They're looking ah.
No, we have 3. We have 3.
Yeah.
Mid
Hold.
Still have 4.
Hold. Yo, northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're on the wall. Go back.
Akin ang night
Stop yan.
ako.
Yeah, it's fine.
Ang Pamer na yan, nakakabuisit.
Spread lang.
10 seconds
Might
pa.
be habak sa ani. Yung
Yeah,
block
havoc sa. Spread. Yo, bro,
5
just
seconds.
get
5
Should we tell
seconds.
them to fight
They're over
out
the wall.
us?
No, yeah. Wait. Hold. Hold lang. Come.
Wait for our bastion to
Come. Yeah. Kailangan ako mag-scout. Stay lang kayo dyan. Looking tong ano,
Ani,
looking tong color.
mag-deep ka,
Yo.
puta. Yung kanina na deep,
Sige.
maganda yun.
Sige.
Laging lang DPS.
Yo.
Looking.
Pag nag-ish
Looking nga sa ano, wala.
Looking.
Near the wall.
Left. Yung south is deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yan, magputa na. That's what I'm talking about.
Tapos nice ako.
Go back.
Yes, nakapatay!
Who's in the Judy? Nice kills.
Yan. Kayo, spread out.
Looking nga sila.
Love
Meron
sa-
sila yung
May blood.
Level 15, level 15.
Come nitrous.
Level 15 na.
Spread.
Looking nga naman.
Left lang. It's fine. No one dies here. Left lang.
If you lose anyone there,
Papunta sa atin.
Yeah, come south.
Wala. Time to run.
Southwest. Mount.
There's sieging things out.
Hold kayo
Tingnan tayo
northwest.
sa atis eh.
Yeah, it's fine. Hold kayo northwest.
should
Scout
we
ko tayo niya,
battle
southeast.
mount swap?
Sige, scout lang. Keep scouting. Hold lang kayo northwest.
I think you can switch fast mount. I joke with.
No, it's fine.
That's fine pa.
Havoc.
Ayun na, na-save. Na-save ko yun.
Havoc level 12.
Havoc.
Dismounted dito. Nakatingin sa'yo, Sunny. Careful.
Yeah.
Dismounted southeast.
Wait for them to face. Maybe we hit Havocs in the back.
Nakadalawa tayo dyan, mga brother.
Mali yung shoes ko. Tangan. Stay lang kayo northwest. Dismounted yung Havoc southeast Okay. Come.
Pa-invite nga sa party itong iba.
Except nga yung mga wala sa
Yo.
party. Ayun pala sila Gagi.
Putang daming pala natin.
Hindi mga sumunod dyan.
Oh
Ah,
my
okay.
God.
May demonic stuff tayong pang pila.
Come north.
Happy lang ako.
May BMS ka na.
Sa likod mo, Havoc sa atin ah.
Yeah.
Nasunod
Stay
sa'yo?
north. Sige lang. Stay north lang kayo.
Literal nakasunod sa'yo.
Mounted sila
Puntot mo.
southwest. Yeah.
Your northeast gate, it's open.
Kaya nga kayo sa punta kayo sa north, sa may static gate.
Huh?
Yo, on the ping.
Ingat na, baka
Go
nakatok na kayo ah.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Hey, static 5.
Wait.
Kaya ginawipe yung fika doon.
Wipe na.
Sumang ka.
Tatlo na matay,
Wait
kuya.
lang. Nag-OC sila. Inside na sila.
Isa lang demon mo pa rin na.
Huwag mo nagagamitin yan. Mamatay ka lang dyan.
Hindi, pwede niyang gamitin yan basta may guardian boots.
Natoy, andito kami on ping.
Hindi ka mapupunit ng
I
8
think na-wipe ka.
Kaya yan.
Havoc
Ay, hindi
level
ko pala.
13.
Tell Havocs can be defensive.
So guys, go
Yeah.
northwest. Huwag na kayo sumilip. Let Honey.
Nag-aasa ko.
Ano gamit ni Boss Ibet?
GA.
GA. Oh, nice one.
Ay, one hand ba? Sorry.
Goods pa yung fika do. Level 9 sila.
Siya
Come,
trade mo nga ako sa west.
come.
Ay, never mind. Wag na.
Come where?
Come. Come southeast.
Okay.
Dito, kuya, oh.
Yeah. Come southeast.
Yung malayo pa Zerg mo
Sige lang. Ano.
Pwede
Southeast. Wait. Hold lang.
Hold
Wait.
here.
Hold lang. Checking on if mag-engage na.
Hold outside.
Donzong.
Hold lang kayo. Yo, dismount. Yo, come. Southwest. Wait. Northeast. Come northeast. Havoc si southwest, okay? Stay lang kayo dyan. Yung hindi kayo abot. Maabot kayo dyan eh. May naka-hodge lang sila. Kalaban natin.
May brawler sa north natin, Havoc sa IB. Going northeast.
Sige lang. Hold lang. Pwede pa scout kung nasan yung Havocs. Southwest pa din, diba? Northeast nga kayo. Stay northeast.
Nag-hold sila sa southwest gate.
Wait. Sige lang. Yo. Wake up. Fika is looking at us.
Yo, Fika on the southeast
Sige, asan yung Havocs?
Fika.
Havocs.
Havoc is south.
Going south yung Havocs.
Yeah. Going south yung Havocs. You're
Sige.
facing Fika now. You're facing Fika.
Copy. Hold.
Looking.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Okay lang. Puta, mabilis yung kamay ko dun.
Wow.
Hey.
Ang bilis.
Dito lang ni Arcel.
Wala na akong defensive.
Ang sarap mo, Alex.
Pero wala
I
na akong
jumped in.
Havocs is southwest, okay? Come southwest, come south. Havocs is southeast. Come southwest.
Havocs ba? Parang Fika yun ah.
Watch
Fika
southwest,
yan,
okay?
Fika yan.
Hindi. Havocs bonking southwest.
Okay,
okay?
sorry. Copy. Careful over the wall ah.
Sira na. Yeah. Come southwest side, para makakita yung northwest.
Okay.
Teka, yung northwest pa. Havocs sa tong ano. Havocs inside. Wait. Hold here.
May balista sila.
Hold
So
lang.
gay.
Tayo yung
man,
maliit. We hit
Havoc
whoever
southeast
commits
mo,
first.
southeast mo, Havoc.
Yeah.
Nag-change position sila?
Grabe. Nasa kanila na yung ano, yung Castle Lord. Malis ba to? Sure ba to? Alis ng Fika?
Alis natin.
Wait. Hindi.
I'll mount up.
Andito si Z.
Scout niyo lang.
Yeah, Fika still southwest. Havocs
Yeah.
taking in the middle Lord room.
Ingat kayo over the wall.
Huwag niyo sa Legion Barrel, guys.
Ingat.
Dito lang tayo
Hinapin
southeast,
nila,
ano? Honey, dito lang tayo southeast para parang ma-sandwich sila. Dito
Alin,
tayo
yung
southeast.
Havocs. Pwede
Dito
naman.
tayo. Kasi di ba southwest yung Fika?
Yeah.
Ayan. Okay, here lang.
Baka mag-turn sa atin ha. Stay nga
Okay
kayo.
lang. Namount ako. They're trying to take the Lord.
They're taking.
Iwan nata na Fika.
Yo, come northeast.
Iwan ta.
Mount.
Oh, puta. Okay na to. Mas ma-full white tayo sa Havocs pa.
Ay!
May diin na to.
DPS natin.
Hindi kalaban.
Basta
Yo,
tumama
come.
lahat. Okay lang yan.
Go northwest. Ready. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2. Def. Oh, fuck. Pa-check ng gate.
I don't know how you check.
53. Yo, come southwest. Southwest.
This is gonna be a fast
40.
Ingat kayo. Sige.
30.
Ayun what kayo guys.
20.
Yo, come
And-
southwest. Over the wall tayo pag nasira yung gate. Over the wall.
Are they not gonna break the other
Over
gate?
the wall.
They will.
They northeast na yun.
Okay, smart.
Namin, kumpleto sila. May chariot pa.
Stay nga kayo southeast side.
70%.
May GA sa west natin
60.
Sige lang.
50. 40.
Nice. Yo, northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2. Sige. Kabak. Looking sila.
Break now.
Na-break na. Come inside. Don't get caught. Yo, come inside. Dig pots if you have to. You guys have to. Come inside. Regroup lang. Come inside. Yo, northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kabak.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Okay. Come southwest. Yeah.
This shit does not look winnable.
50.
Pero sige.
Fake lang yan. Yo, CD. Ready kayo?
Good to go. H-O-E.
On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go back.
Tang inang rin.
Looking. Yo, ready def.
Uy, gagi. Ba't yung nilap?
Ready def. CD check. CD, please, CD.
Ready.
Yo, stay inside. Wait. We soak one engage, okay? We soak one engage. Yo, inside. Hold. After make like southeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Good shit. Go back.
In the Judy.
Go back. Heal the Judy.
Oh, the lag.
Yo, come southwest side. Come southwest. Looking ah. They miss. Hold. CD. DPS. Left. Yeah, it's fine. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No DPS. Yo, pakilin lang nasa
Spread kayo,
is.
spread
Spread lang. Spread and ball. Yo, CD, DPS. Talk to me. Inside.
Carving 3 seconds.
Spread kayo. Don't clam up. Looking sila. Yo, south. Southwest. 5, 4. Southeast. 3, 2, 1. Oh,
JJ.
Wala.
J. It's fine.
Patay. Nabawasan ka ng DPS.
Left. Heal. Inside. Sige, winnable guys. Winnable. Wala, may DPS pa ba tayo? 3 DPS.
Still ready.
Yo, come southeast. Lalabas sila ng castle. Lalabas sila ng castle. May southeast blob. It's fine. Yo, north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anything. Kidnap niyo nga to. Itong kiki. Fine.
We're still LT ah. Need to down.
Yeah.
Wala tayong life course.
Larin tayo doon, so.
Pag si Tatani.
Tatani!
Si Tatani yan.
We don't kill Tatani.
Don't kill Tatani.
Don't kill Tatani.
Sino yung blob? Someone check. Mogo yun.
Wala ba ba yung Mogo?
Mogu level 10.
Pass out. Ako na mag-scout. Just stay here.
Mogo dismount.
Hindi natin sila mag-fight.
Sa
Level
labas.
10, level 10.
Asan yung Havocs?
Northwest Mogo
Ilan pa DPS ko nandito?
I think they're heading towards the north static entrance.
You have 4 DPS. Ay, they 1 pierce. 3 DPS halos. Puta. You have 2.
Ako pinapatay
1 man
nila
tsaka si Anke. Si Tokis Breath Hunter.
Fighting sila.
Fighting.
Tara. Come.
Likod to ng Havocs.
Likod to ng
Yeah, likod din to ng Mogo.
Sige.
Yo, dismount. Bukin. Pa-hold niya. Tanks. Pahold.
Ito.
Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Silence
1.
yan.
Huge.
So everyone, kill them. Go back.
They're not looking at you. Pushing sila southwest.
Come west. Asan yung Havocs? Pascout.
Shea, may may
South
food
Havoc,
DPS.
south. Water
okay,
bridge.
okay.
South water
Okay,
bridge.
okay.
So, likod pa rin to ng Mogo.
Okay. We go deep. Southeast, okay?
Ready
Hold.
carving.
Ready.
Hold. Southeast. Southwest.
Southwest mo.
Wait. Southeast,
Havoc yan
5,
southeast. Gitna ka na.
4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Go back. Come,
Careful.
go north.
Nasa gitna ka.
North. Nasa gitna tayo. North lang kayo. Spread north.
Looking Havoc sa inyo ah.
Havocs lang, sige. Just go north. North.
Right.
Towards the water bridge. Asan yung Mogo? Umalis yung Mogo.
Hindi na humabol. Hindi na humabol.
West. Nasa south yung water bridge pa rin yung Havoc.
Sige, mount up.
Putang inang mobs to.
Yo, come northwest sa wall. NW.
Habok to sa akin. Habok
Z.
to.
Asan yung
Careful,
Mogo?
Bakit tol?
Eyes on Mogo, please.
Sila ata yung nag-zone out ng
dito.
southwest eh.
Habok dismount dito.
Yung Mogo, missing.
Ay!
Mogo.
They zone out northwest ata. Mogo. Yeah, no DA mo po dito. Northwest holding. Yung isa.
Habok dismounted pa rin to. Dismounted Habok.
Sige. Sige na vibe yung Mogo.
20
Hold
minutes
northwest.
OC.
Sige lang. Hold northwest.
Tol, may 8M na ako dito tol.
Ay. May alay tayo.
Sige, may DA tayo, level 3.
Ay, gago. May may
Sige, nagkakatch.
allies.
Pok, one shot. Let's go.
Sila mga one shot.
Southeast ba tong Havocs?
Okay,
Yo, zone.
Habok
towards
yan,
us, ah.
Habok yan. Habok money.
Chase natin yung Mogo. Kahit brawl to.
O tara, dismantle natin tong chariot.
Yung PM nila.
Havocs might come also.
Nakabase pa sila oh.
Level
Opo
4.
tayo lang yan. We're not winning against that.
Level 4, level
Maybe.
4.
Level 5, full
Ayun, tayo,
brawl,
tayo.
open world.
Dong Chow.
Okay, limit test. Kaya natin to. Winnable.
Sinusundan ko sila dito yung mga group.
Gusto ko patayin tong basi.
So yung nakakasyatin kanina, diba? Puta, ito mga tayo.
Yung nagkakatch sa atin na
Healers careful ah.
Pasok.
Anong okay?
Basta entrance sila
Sa
nandun.
smuggler.
okay, come.
Okay, Cam.
Lalabas yata to smuggler ah.
Yeah, sige lang. Hold lang tayo dito.
Hindi, nagdiretso na northwest. May nag-OC.
Come south.
Level 5 pa rin. Level 5 pa rin.
Magdidismount
Mabang ko lang ako
magdidismount.
saglit, honey.
They're level
Sige,
6.
sige.
Dumadami sila. They're coming out nga.
Careful, nakakainin kayo.
1v1
Oh,
daw.
gago. At B1?
1v1, level 15 kayo eh. Gago ba kayo? Tapos full brawl.
Sama
Di ba sila karmahinan, boy?
Tapos gusto pa
Level
open
2, they're
world.
level 6.
Tarantado, puta.
Tinagalog yung Chinese eh.
Pabalik kayo, Marsh.
Wait. Baka may fight pa tayo isa.
Abangan mo kami ng Magic. Kung kaya lang.
Saan pa diba itong castle? Saan pa yung castle?
Wala na yung Havocs.
Wala na hawak.
Mawal na ata.
Gusto ko na mag-arena. They wanna
Out
play.
na. Wala na.
Wait.
As mo tumogo.
Then, fight natin yung Fika.
Wala ka nang
Hindi pa daw
DPS
sila. Hindi
ah.
pa sila.
Sa LFA.
Yan, we need DPS, we need
Mogo.
DPS. Dami
Mogo
pala-
going back sa inyo.
LFM pala. Mogo.
Kung makabalik na ako, pwede ako mag-bracer. May set pa ako sa stage oh.
Disconnected.
Daming emergency alert.
Lagi nag-offline yung
Yung,
GG's na,
Oh,
tatuan.
GG's na tayo.
Oo. Uwi na tayo.
are we going home?
AR.
Magutan.
Paabang sa tail.
Gagi
Mogo,
8-3 Kingmaker boy. Hello?
Gank mo.
Laban
Malayo
na
pa
sa
mo.
LFA.
Uwi na tayo.
Ay, sa-
Kailangan i-tricky breaker.
Ano dito? Nandito yung Havocs.
Esker.
Wait.
Mogo mid-map ng
Tata boy.
LFM.
Diyan na habang.
Dismount yung Kingmaker sa bridge.
Mid-map.
Mid-map LFM Mogo.
Come on, Northeast. If may kakatch kayo na Havocs.
Ay,
Care
puta,
lang.
di pala ako makaharap.
Sige, nag-dub tayo.
Kami ni Wemi. What if mag/die na lang ako?
SF.
Bawas ka na.
Yan ay mo ko. Dismount ka na dito, honey. Hold mo yung Havocs.
Wait,
Para
wait.
mo ko.
Oh, gagi. Anong love to? Ang laki naman.
Havocs yan.
Nag-zoning
Tapos may
yung Mogo.
zoning na din Mogo.
Ang dami naman nila. Level 20.
Level 20 na gago.
Havocs?
20 man versus level 20.
Di nga tayo 20 man eh.
Zone.
18 man. Tayo na yan.
Kaya ng content. Bullshit content, boy.
It's like
Okay,
when we died
napanood ko na sa
16D8.
Okay na.
Go home.
Let's go. May gusto ba tumakbo? Paano? Tatford Portal. Kunin yung loot. Yung sets.
May sets
Pabalik
rin
tayo,
naman.
Valley. Tinatamad na ako.
Natamad din ako. Iwan ko na lang din. Pabalik naman tayo dyan eh.
Gago ba yung Mogo? Sabi ko sa Mogo. Okay, wait us 10 minutes.
Hello, tol.
Cards. Tara, arena. Si break ko nito.
Rigger. Rigger
Sira.
Send riggers. Yeah.
Ay, regenerable ba to?
Riggerable to boy.
Puta, hindi ko na-record. Akala ko content lang to.